Hello, Willie Stoltz here, used truck sales manager for Industrial Power Trucking Equipment. Today we're going to be doing a walk-around on this 2020 Hino 268 25950 GVW. But before we jump into that walk-around, we want to make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, so every time we put new product online, you'll be notified and you can take a look at it. We bring these trucks in from our customers' trade-ins or from our lease department where this particular truck came from. We do a 150-point check. We go through the cabs, bodies, transmission, engine fluids, lift gates, brakes, tires, any discrepancies that are found. We run them through our medium shop and through our body shop. After that, we do QC, test drive, clean up, and put online. As we said, this is a 2020 Hino 268. And on top of that 150-point check, we have gone ahead and done the engine oil filter, fuel and air filters. The DPF filter has been cleaned on this truck, and it has some extended warranty still left on it from the factory. Let's take a look at the inside of the truck real quick. As we climb in, plenty of grab handles. This truck has a nice air ride suspension captain's chair for the driver. We got a two-person bench. We got the great outward visibility and the upward visibility with that sloped hood the Hino has. We've got the AM/FM CD radio, air conditioning, cruise control, and this truck does have the powered and heated large mirrors, so your guys can adjust the big mirrors from the driver's seat, which is a great safety feature. Diesel automatic as always. And being a 2020, this truck's fairly new, and you can look at it, it's been very well maintained, cleaned up nice. Be a nice, safe, dependable, clean ride for your guys to get in and start making you money with. Let's take a look at the business into the truck real quick. A lot of people aren't aware of this, but Hino is Toyota's commercial vehicle. So when you buy Hino, you are getting Toyota's dependability and reliability that they are known for worldwide. A lot of times you start looking at pre-owned trucks, the bodies are beat up pretty bad. This truck is in really, really good shape. It's a Southern truck, no rust. It's got brand new tires. And as we come around here the back, this truck can go dock to dock, ground to dock, or dock to ground with this really nice 2,500-pound tuckaway lift gate. It's 80 inches wide, 50 inches deep, so you can get your pallet and pallet jack or whatever else you're loading on here and get it up in the back of the truck. Lift gate works really good. Meets up at the top like it should. We have got a really nice 26-foot long 103, 102 wide van body here. We've got the 2 rows of E-track. It's got the Apatong hardwood slats and scuff that go up to the front and across and back down the side. The aluminum roof's in really good shape. We've got a really nice LED dome light for those early morning, late afternoon deliveries. And the laminated hardwood floor in this truck is excellent. Still has a whole lot of life left in it. The lift gate works just as good going down as it did going up. A lot of our customers come into Industrial Power looking for a general delivery truck, really not knowing what they're looking for. We have the big 26-footers, 14, 16, 20-footers also, and other vocational trucks. And even though this truck is really, really nice, we can still wrap this body and the cab, if you'd like, with your name, your graphics, your designs, turning that fuel money into advertising money while your guys are rolling down the road. Again, we've got a really nice 2020 Hino 268 with some factory extended warranty left on it. You can go to our website, iptruck.com, our Facebook page, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. So every time we put new equipment on, you'll be notified and you can take a look at it. And as always, we do appreciate your time.